Hello guys and welcome back to our channel I Love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing for this Masdi Audi R8. So here's your packaging and let's open this up and see what we have inside. Okay, so this is like totally different kind of packaging I'm opening the first time. Very premium. It opens up from here. We have some foam and a plastic film. Let's put them on the side and here's your car. Look at this. I bought this because I saw a grey R8 in Iron Man in 2008 and this is just a beautiful replica of R8. The wheels look great. We have calipers, brake calipers on the front and back. The wheels roll good. Have all the carbon fiber detailing. This is your back. This is just sick car. The Audi logo, the R8 logo, and everything looks so perfect. I like the back of this car actually. Here is your front. The headlights look really cool. They have the detailings like the real one. Here's your 4 rings for Audi, and see this is the most beautiful thing you will see today. All the engine details on this rear end, rear wheel car, rear drive. I like the color, I really like the stances, and let's see if it rolls or not. Yeah, it rolls perfect. So guys, this was your unboxing for today. To let me know in the comments if you have this one. There are several other colors available in this one. I think white and blue is also available. So maybe I'll get them and unbox for you. Till then, see you in the next one. Bye.